Hello. Today we're talking about decluttering with purpose. So when we say to make a plan, to put the items down that you're going to do in your plan, that includes your zone work. And zone is where you declutter. You only declutter in the zone for 15 minutes for 4 units a week. So if you're an at-home homemaker, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is ideal. If you're a payroll homemaker, Saturday morning, 4 units, 4 15-minute units of decluttering. So when you determine that you're going to declutter something, determine to do it well. Determine to throw away the garbage. Don't keep that stuff just in case. Give away the things you don't need. Don't keep that stuff just in case, and only keep the things you love, need, or use. Now you have to have room for that, so make sure you're decluttering with purpose when you declutter. Have a great day.